Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island, Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, one of them is living, same building, and we share the kitchen and stuff. Well, so I asked them to shoot. They are a punk rock group or something. Well, I have this image, and also I made a pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Used filter called Find Edges, and I'm gonna make something interesting, exciting image from these two images. This time I want to try some kind of oil paint look. And I want to add some lighting to make it nicer lighting from this. So this is pretty contrast, high contrast, like lighting to her and side lit. But I'm going to add some key light or something like that. Well, let me try it on. Let's get started. Well, I'm gonna duplicate this base image. Then I'm gonna keep this base image off to keep it. Then I'm gonna smudge this image. Okay, use that evolve. Now, let's see, smudge from outside. Let's see, make it more smaller. It's too rough now. Okay, almost done for smudging outside. Their faces. Careful, small one. Okay, pretty cool. Now I'm gonna add some color, like a key light. Well, beforehand, I'm gonna make a bigger canvas size. Change the canvas size, resize, to add some white border outlines. Yeah, then I'm gonna add some smudge texture outline, border. Okay, now use a little bit bigger smudge tool size to make this texture. Rough texture. Okay, let's see. Now, let me see the pencil drawing type image on and change blend mode. Yeah, I like the color burn. Go down to about 50. Go for color burn. Now, okay, color burn 50%. Then I'm gonna add layer for color. I don't know yet. Okay, I'm gonna add some. Let's see. Same smudge brush, texture, evolve, same texture to use about a little bit orange. Let's see, change. Let's divide using orange to show blue colors. So I'm going to try the opposite color, complementary color, blue color to add here. Shows orangey type yellow. Cyan shows orange-ish. It's divide 100%, maybe 80. Okay, now I'm going to clear first. Then I'm going to add same evolve texture. Color is cyan, but because of the blend mode is divide, shows opposite color, complementary color. Well, I just want to try something different. Then I want to try change the brush. This is texture. Now airbrushing to soft brush. Same layer. Same color, well, a little bit more bluer. Goes to yellowish. Okay, now this is divide, right? I'm going to change name, divide. Okay, then I'm going to add color. Now change this blend mode to color. Then I use soft brush. I'm going to add orange. Now this is where I'm painting right now. Now I want to add some background color. So, okay, add layer over this base. And I'm going to use the brush. Well, this time it's not evolve, it's too rough texture. So, paint from, okay, Terraria. Small size. Let me try this Terraria on background. Kind of orange. Okay, this is a background color. This texture comes from Terraria. Now, okay, I'm gonna add some divide, use evolve texture, use that yellow, turn into yellow. Well, use Terraria. That's right, this layer is color, blend mode color. This is the 9. Okay, let's see, change the blend mode, how it's gonna look like. About background, this is normal now. Not much big difference. Yeah, just keep now. Normal is fine, huh? We have key light and lighten up some. This one, divide. This is pretty good. Shapes outlines, edge key light to separate from behind background. I like this, yeah. Okay. Pretty much good. Well, about this color burn, linear burn goes to a little bit darker on her. Yeah, color burn is fine, I think. Okay. Wow, it's pretty good. Color wise, with a dark blue background. Yeah, pretty much done for one image. Well, I guess that's it for today, and I like the image. Yes. Yeah, what do you guys think? Well, thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate for you guys support. And well, I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea, like painting with add lighting, backlit, key light, whatever. And well, you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.